Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. If you have been shopping for a boat over the past year, you probably know that the majority of boats under 30 feet are going to be ordered. Just like this one right here, we went through and custom spec'd out all the different colors. This is a real sharp one. First one I've seen in this color like it. You see we've got the new Kingfisher Teal. This is a new 2021 color from Sea Ray, along with the 3-zone gel coats, along with the graphic right here along the side. So if you really want to personalize something, make it yours, go through the checklist with your sales consultant. It's a real fun process, and then the boat gets here and you unwrap it and it's better than Christmas. It really is, and that's a bold statement, I get it. Moving back here, also we custom ordered the white Mercury engine on this boat. A lot of them will come with a black engine, so this boat truly is one of a kind, all the way from the Kingfisher Teal on the 3-zone gel coat up to the stone interior. This is one sharp ride. Come on down to MarineMax in St. Petersburg, spec out your own boat, or better yet, go on that Sea Ray website, build your boat, bring it into your sales consultant, and let's get the order process started. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Pete, and I look forward to navigating this process with you as well. Bye guys.